If you're running a funding business right now, one of two things are probably true. Either you're already doing some deals right now, but you're just too busy and buried on the back end, spending so much more time managing your system where you know you should spend that time closing deals and following up with people. Or maybe you've already tried running ads in the past and they're just not converting profitably. So much money's just going out and not enough money's coming in. That's an issue. And most people will tell you that the answer is probably going to be like better ads or better interest-based ninja ad targeting strategies, or maybe even a better funnel. But honestly, after working with over 500 funding business owners and helping generate over $42 million in the past 8 years we've been working, really ever since we dropped out of college, that is almost never really the problem. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what the real problem is and how we fix it and where it's going to end up taking you. So here's what's actually happening inside most funding businesses. Take a look at this. Leads coming from ads, maybe some from referrals, maybe partnerships, DMs, content distribution, doesn't matter where. But what I'm saying is that some of these are coming in ready to get funding right now. Some need to work first, maybe on their credit so that they can actually qualify for funding based upon your lender criteria. And maybe some people just aren't ready at all. It's not even worth hopping on a call with these type of people. But they all hit the same funnel. They all hit the same calendar and the same closer. So what ends up happening is your closer ends up hopping on a call with somebody for 45 minutes and the call is like completely burnt because that person never had a chance. Maybe it's something like your show price just stays super low, your follow-up starting to break down. Maybe your pipeline like this over here is just a friggin' mess. And maybe when your ad spend goes up as you're trying to scale this campaign, the results don't show it. Maybe when you try to add more money into spend, the results, the profitability is not really where it needs to be able to scale up that spend. And so you end up starting to think, maybe I need some better ads. Maybe I need better leads. But what I find out, what often happens is the leads are not the problem. The routing is the problem. And this is exactly how and what we do to be able to fix this. So let me show you exactly how we do this. This over here, we call this a Sales Automation Accelerator, in which case this is our entire program to help you hit 56 figures a month and plus. With that being said, this is our step-by-step roadmap for credit and funding business owners to be able to help you scale, automate, and scale with paid ads. Think of this as like your money-making roadmap. We have to follow this in order. So step one, before you spend $1 in ads, we need to make sure what I call the foundations is completely right. That means your socials need to be optimized, IG and Facebook, maybe even YouTube and other social media profiles. Your content distribution system needs to be running. You need to have consistent content distribution. And if you're already collecting referrals and testimonials, we need to have that on your IG and Facebook. Because before we even touch any things in terms of scaling, people need to trust you. And when they land on your page, they need to see what you do, how you do it, prove you're not a scam, and the next steps they need to do to be able to get rocking with you. That's step one. Guys, trust me, your ads will not convert if we don't have these foundational steps set up. Step two over here, we need to make sure that on step two is going to allow you to get to your first 10K a month. And these are the steps that we also need to make sure that we implement so that we have enough of a budget to then put into ads and scale up. So in step two, we use something called the demand engine strategy. And honestly, this is my favorite rapid cash injection strategy. It allows us to be able to reactivate leads that are already sitting in your DMs or in your lead list or in your ecosystem in general and moves them over into actually buying with you. This is the fastest way to hit your first 10K a month. It also proves your offer works before we put any type of ad spend behind it. Now, step three. So on step three over here, once the offer is proven, we scale it with paid ads. We start by targeting the low-hanging fruits first, people that have already visited your site, engaged with your content when cold. These are the easiest people to convert because they already know who you are. And at this stage, we also help you hire setters and closers so volume doesn't fall on you. Step four, all right. This is when we set up the actual tracking infrastructure and really start taking your system to a next level, start scaling you up. So on step four over here, what we do is we're going to put together what we call our lead quality management infrastructure, our KPI sheet. And what this really is that we want to make sure that every lead, every call, every close is going to be tracked. Let me show you what this looks like. So this is where most businesses skip ahead and it's actually hurting their ads. It's literally making them lose money because they're just not tracking things. But that being said, this is like the monthly view of everything. This is going to be where actual lead quality management happens over here because long story short, the average funding deal, yes, it couldn't get funded the same day you can cash up, but oftentimes it's not. Oftentimes it might take a week, 2 weeks, but I don't want to wait an entire 2 weeks, maybe even a month for that deal cycle to go through for us to make optimizations. We want to make sure that we are making changes based upon lead quality the same day, maybe even hourly if we need to. And then by being able to track target versus actual allows us to show us, hey, Blade, I'm looking to do 7 figures a month. Great. What does your numbers need to be? And then based upon our numbers, hey, this is what they need to look like in order to do 7 figures a month compared to this is what we're actually doing. It turns into a math equation by allowing us to pinpoint exactly what's holding you back and focus just on that, in which case doing everything based upon the numbers, not making emotional decisions. So before we scale, we install our full tracking infrastructure where every lead, every call, every close is going to be tracked. We understand cost per lead, cost per call, show rate, lead quality scores, close rates, pass rates, collected revenue, cash collected, etc. With this and combined with our ad Rolodex, which is just a proven carousel of all of our funding and credit per ads that are absolutely crushing it, guys, we have over 10 different funding companies doing well past 6 figures a month. There's no reinventing the wheel here. So we're not going to guess over here. Use the ads that are already proven to convert, leverage those so that we can scale you up as fast as possible, because the more money you make you, the more you're getting paid. It's only your best interest. So with that being said, nothing here is going to get scaled until the math is clean. We want to make sure our numbers are solid over here so we can scale it back up. Beautiful. And then step 5 is going to be scaling up the team, in which case hiring setters and closers, building your affiliate empire, growing your community, making sure everything is tracked and reviewed weekly. And the last step over here is really going to be your graduation, in which case on step 5 over here, boom, 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 on step 5 and 6 over here is where everything really starts clicking into place. Your system is running, your ads are working, your backend is managed. You're focusing just on closing more deals with you and your team. You're not fixing automations. You're not trying to figure out GoHighLevel. You're not chasing leads. You're not babysitting your GoHighLevel sales system, your CRM. And that is when you officially graduate. So now let me show you the core system that makes all of this really work. This is our funding funnel. We build this inside your GoHighLevel, or if you need a sub account, we just give you one. Nice and simple. We care about the result. This is what separates businesses that scale from every businesses that honestly just stay stuck. So phase 1, we want to automate your actual sales. And phase 1 over here, this is our funding homepage, in which case funding homepage, survey, funding calendar, downsell to credit repair, credit calendar, and your community over here. Every lead that comes in hits this pre-qualification survey first, in which case the entire purpose of the survey is to route them based upon your lender's logic. So based upon the answers on this application over here, it routes them automatically. So no manual sorting, no manual guessing. If they are funding ready, as in 700 credit score, 10K credit card limit, no more than 2 derogatories. Let's keep it simple. Let's say 700 credit. Let's say strong credit, maybe solid revenue, clear intent. Nice and simple. Those people get straight into your funding calendar. Those are your priorities. Let's say that these people don't have the credit, but they have the budget to be able to afford your credit per services. Those people we route into what we call funding prep. In which case, what this really is we push these people down into credit repair right here. Credit per call, quick funding downsell page saying, hey, you're not the fit for funding, but we can help you fix your credit first to be able to then get approved for funding. Credit analysis call, getting reports to a thank you page. Nice and simple. Now, let's say that they're not even ready yet. Those people, rather than that, we just take them and we push them into a community. So to kind of explain this recap, 700 credit score, good credit, they can get funded, take them to a funding call. If they don't have the credit, but they got the budget to afford credit repair, boom, take them over to what we call funding prep. But now let's say these people aren't even worth hopping on a call with, they can't get funded, they don't have the budget, those people we push into our actual community. And the entire purpose of this community is to keep them warm, put content in front of them. Maybe go live a couple of times, maybe offer a couple of DIY trainings, in which case, once they get the budget or they fix the credit themselves, they go back to you and nobody else. Because you better believe these people are getting hounded with thousands of other ads as well too. So we want to make sure we're just always in front of these people so that when they're ready to buy, they go back to you, nobody else. So most important part that I want to make note onto here is that every lead is going to have a path. Nobody's going to fall through the cracks, and your closers only talk to people who are actually qualified. So you're not wasting time with people that just are not a good fit. You're not ruining morale with people that are just not going to get funded. You're not ruining the AI tracking. Do you train it to bring in people that are just not going to qualify? This trains the AI to bring in good funding deals, people that actually are good fit for your business. Because that's when we fire the pixel. We fire the pixel after they qualify. Now let's talk about phase 2. Phase 2 is really going to be automating fulfillment. Phase 2 is making sure that we set up a couple of funnels, in which case clients self-sign up, they pay, they onboard themselves, sign contracts, and it's linked together with whatever credit or for funding fulfillment software you have, Client Dispute Manager, CRC, Dispute Fox for the credit per side, maybe on the funding side, MCA Suite, Improve You. Maybe you guys are using Slack for communication. Maybe you guys are using Notion, something like that I'm using as well too. It doesn't matter. Maybe using Asana. All those has APIs and we link it up directly to it because we want to make sure we handle all automations in terms of sales and also fulfillment. So you're focusing just on closing more deals, none of those complex API integrations. Now, phase 3 is going to be making sure that we build out your community and your affiliate empire. Everybody that your partners and affiliates are able to see that the people that they refer, we gamify it by having a high score and everybody's able to see who is on the leaderboard. In addition to that, everybody has their own custom URL link so they can just refer seamlessly with enough trainings for them to understand it instantly. And then phase 4 is really making sure that we're scaling up the ads. So that's installing the lead quality management system, that KPI sheet that we were just talking about right over here. Making sure everything is nice and seamlessly integrated so you're just tracking numbers. This phase 4 is making sure the ads that are plugged into are just adequately tracked. Turn the ads into a math equation so that every single dollar is tied to a result that you can see. So now let me show you what this actually produces in the real world. For example, Reef over here. Reef came to us with a brand new business, $0 in revenue, just getting out of his 9 to 5 into the real business world. When he came to us, again, we had to install the full system. We were able to then, within 45 days, bring him to around 30K reoccurringly every single month. And because of it, he was able to buy his Cybertruck, boom, 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 and a C8 Corvette. Next one is Mo. Monica Allen was working on 9 to 5, hated it, and we had to have an amazing conversation where it was like, listen, Mo, your 9 to 5 is currently holding you back from growing your empire over here. You need to quit your 9 to 5. You need to focus 100% on your business. She ended up trusting us. And because she was able to end up trusting us, we built out everything A to Z. We built out her GoHighLevel. We launched her ads. We implemented a software and a community, credit repair with a downsell, and now she's doing over 100K a month. She was able to finally go with her and her wife on some vacations. She literally goes monthly on vacations, buy her second house in Jamaica. And this over here is when she visited me and my wife in Puerto Rico, and we celebrated. We were smoking cigars, had a couple of drinks, and overall had an amazing time with amazing laughs and great memories of when I had to tell her to quit that 9 to 5. Long story short, 0 to quitting her 9 to 5 to 6 figures a month. And these are the systems that we built out for her. It took her 8 months to hit 6 figures a month consistently. Next one is Ninja Premium Outsourcing, who already tried 3 really big name Facebook ad agencies before they even came to us. That's the video testimonial, in which case, after 45 days, we were able to rebuild the ads, rebuild the backend, rebuild the funnels, rebuild the entire partnership acquisition system. And in 45 days, his words are better than mine, 222% growth in his business in under 45 days. And here's someone else with Scale Backend, a similar deal over here, in which case, 0 to hero. His first deal closed for $250,000. Boom, absolutely crushing it right now. So these are not guarantees. These are just examples of people that implement the full system and what it produces when everything is actually working together. And we got plenty of case studies. Now, here's something most programs simply do not have. We built milestone rewards into every level of the accelerator because hitting a number should not feel like it's just something. It needs to feel like it's actually an achievement. In which case, 30K a month, aka a G a day. In which case, with a G a day, this is what it's going to get you. When you hit 30K a month, you get a Money While You Sleep plaque on the left-hand side awarded to your name. And you get a shirt, like on the right-hand side over here. I survived the Sales Automation Accelerator merch drop. Boom, boom, boom. Because you simply earned it. At a G a day, aka 30K a month, you're going to get the plaque and you get the shirt over here. At 100K a month, you have a real business. At 100K a month, this is what you're going to receive. Congrats, you got a real business. You're going to receive the Real Business Crystal Trophy on the left-hand side, and you're going to get access and unlock the Alpha Club, in which case you get access to in-person events with VIP access. You're going to have access to a private chat with only people doing over 6 figures a month. You're going to have access to quarterly mastermind retreats. You're going to get access to direct access to elite operators in the network, everybody doing well past 6 figures a month and plus. And this isn't going to be a reward. This is designed to be a different room and access to a network of operators doing all past 6 figures a month. And finally, my favorite is $1 million a month. At $1 million a month, you officially built out your empire. So congrats. And when you hit $1 million a month, this is what you're going to receive. First, on the left-hand side, you're going to receive a luxury Swiss watch package awarded to your name and engraved with your name and business name on the left-hand side. And that's what it's going to look like. On the right-hand side, you're also going to receive access to a all expense paid luxury excursion for you and your family. Boom, 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 right over there. Renting out cars, full flight, all expenses paid, luxury 5-star stay, fine dining, the whole shebang, A to Z. The top closers are going to win, so you're going to live the lifestyle that you finally deserve. So after step 6, after you graduate, that's when the Project Alpha comes in as your full agency partner. We take over your GoHighLevel management, your ads, your KPI tracking, and your weekly mastermind. This is to be able to help you get to past 50K a month, to 6 figures a month, and well past $1 million per month. You can finally stop building the system. We're going to manage it for you. We're going to make sure that you're focusing just on closing deals. We're going to manage all the infrastructure in terms of ads, GoHighLevel, tracking. That is going to be the next level for you. And the call that you already booked out is going to allow us to figure out where in the stages that you are going to be in. Step 7. So now that you booked the call, this is exactly what's going to happen. We're going to take a look at what you got going on right now in the roadmap. We're going to identify where leads are leaking and what's really holding back your system from scaling and taking it from the next level and really building out this friggin' empire. We're going to map out what exactly the next 90 days are going to look like for your specific business. And this is only for if you already have an offer. You're already making some sales or getting referrals. And you want the back end built and managed and not just consulted on. You already booked your call, so show up ready to talk. We're going to be talking about exactly where you are at and where you're stuck. And then we're going to take it completely from there, making sure we give you the roadmap, regardless if you partner up or not with you. So I'll see you on that call. Let's get this scaled up. Peace.